suspension of a specified sitting.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I beg to move that pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 28.4, calendar of the Assembly, this House resolves to suspend its sitting of Thursday, 3rd October 2024, so as to allow administrative arrangements necessary to facilitate the program for public participation on the special motion for the removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Honorable Speaker, just as my deputy has said, this motion is due for debate next week on Tuesday and was communicated by the Speaker yesterday afternoon or last evening. We are required to conduct public participation. Honorable Speaker, it's important to mention to members that the public participation we intend to do is public participation that is very granular, right from the polling station all the way to the county. And if members have seen, already the advertisement has been put in the dailies and it's there on the website, and members of the public can therefore access the venues where people will assemble in a very granular manner, right from the polling station to the ward level, to the constituency level. So members of parliament will need also to retreat to their constituencies and be able to inform their people accordingly, so that we make sure that everybody in every polling station is aware of the motion, the grounds of the motion, and they can give their say at the county headquarters. And I'm sure members of parliament, having been seasoned people in these matters of public participation, will enable their constituents right from the polling station to be able to give their views. There is also a memoranda that's already on the website, and again, you should be able to speak to your constituents and to be able to fill up that memoranda and send it to the addresses that have been indicated. With that, Honorable Speaker, it's therefore necessary that we retreat tomorrow and we don't have a sitting tomorrow afternoon as the norm is as per our calendar. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move, and I want to request the Honorable Farah Maalim. I was going to say Mala Farim. Farah Maalim to second.
My mic is not working. Which one? This one. Mr. Speaker, I can see the majority leader has moved a very, very important and a constitutional provision for us also to have the public participation. Public participation is provided for in our constitution. That is important because it's a first of its kind under the Constitution 210 of the Republic of Kenya, which is one of the most progressive constitutions in the world, not in Africa, not in the third world countries, but including the developed world also. Mr. Speaker, I second that, and I am hoping we will all go out back to our own constituents. We will inform them, we will sit down with them, we will listen to them, and public participation is going to be carried out as the Constitution has provided. Thank you. I second, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Madam Speaker, sorry.
Yes. Thank you. Honorable members, I now propose the question that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 28.4, which is calendar of the Assembly, this House resolved to suspend its sitting of Thursday, 3rd October 2024, so as to allow administrative arrangements necessary to facilitate the program of public participation on the special motion for the removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. It's the mood of the House that we should put the question? Okay. Okay. Honorable members, I now put the question that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 28.4, calendar of the Assembly, this House resolved to suspend its sittings of Thursday, 3rd October 2024, so as to allow administrative arrangements necessary to facilitate the program for public participation on the special motion for the removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Order number